Hello students, welcome back to your class of English, and today we'll discuss about the solution of the sample paper which I have given you 2 days back. As our syllabus is completed and these days we are doing a revision, and I really believe that you all have completed the solution of the sample paper. So today I'm just going to discuss with you the solution so that you can have the idea whether you have attempted it correctly or somewhere you have some queries. So let's discuss about the sample paper. As you know that your sample paper is of 80 marks and it is divided into 3 parts: part A, B and C. And part A contains the reading part where two comprehensions have been given, and the second is writing and grammar. And writing skills, there are letter to editor, placing orders, and then story writing, and then the grammar editing task and sentence reordering. And in the third part, literature, there are the questions, extracts, short questions and long questions related to your literature part. So now let's discuss first about the section A, reading, that will be of 20 marks. So now let's read out the passage. Listen carefully. Read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. A bookshop is not something you find in every gully or mohalla these days. Books which were once a staple diet for youngsters in their formative years are fading out of their love of managements. Their list of managements. As in the first passage, what has been talked about the books, the love for books. A bookshop is not something that these days, the bookshop is not something that you find in every street or gully or mohalla. They're books that once it was a staple diet, the main diet for the youngsters, for the youth in the formative years, in their early years of their life, and now fading out, withered out. That something disappeared out of their list of managements. Ask any youngsters which is the latest book he has read and he will be baffled. Baffled means confused. And if you ask any of the youngsters that what is the recent book, the latest book that they have or he has read, then he will get confused. Apart from a few consistent readers, others just befool themselves with a bestseller's name or lament the curriculum lord for justifying themselves. These days you will find only a few consistent readers who, besides their curriculum books, read the books. But others just try to make themselves fool with this pretendingness that they know about every bestseller's name, or sometimes they lament or grieve over the load or the burden of the curriculum, that they don't be able to read the books just because of the load of the curriculum books and couldn't spare out the time, and they are just ready with these excuses. And like this 17-year-old school goer who says, I just read my physics book. And when it has been asked from one child that who is a 70-year-old school going child, then it is asked, he said that he just read his physics books. Television has been blamed much for this climacteric situation, which is producing square-faced people and a bookless society. Furthermore, today's children are under pressure to be smart and popular and to succeed on a social level. Thus, this fadedness for the charmness of the books. So the first reason is that can be blamed or that can be pointed out is about the television that has brought this serious situation, and which is producing square-faced people and a bookless. Square-faced people here means the books, the persons who have, the youth who has no attraction for the books, and a bookless society. And furthermore, today's children are under pressure, as they every time they just want to prove themselves being smart and popular, and they just want to be famous, whether it's on Twitter, on social media, on Facebook. So moreover, the computers, video games, internet, swimming lessons, cricketing, in every youngster's passion for hour-long teat-a-teat or telephone with friends eat up all their lazy time. And besides television, the other reasons, the other causes that are or can be blamed for this square faced people of a bookless society are internet services, video games, computer, swimming classes, one class or the other class, cricketing, or every youngster's passion for hour-long tete-a-tete, means internet chatting or telephone with friends, and that they all just consume their free time, their leisure time, that otherwise can be spent in reading books. A child who is constantly under pressure to live up to his parents' expectations, at times unreasonable, doesn't like to throw himself into another set of books after the laborious school work unless the child comes from a family of readers where intoxicating works of Shakespeare and Dickens are just a matter of pulling them out from the shelves. A child who is constantly under pressure. As we know that these days the parents are always after their kids, after their vote, to do one thing to the other, and a child, he is always seen under pressure, just as the parents really want his child to complete their expectations. At times unreasonable, and sometimes it becomes illogical, and doesn't like to throw himself into, as due to the under pressure the child doesn't want to throw himself into another set of books besides his curriculum, because after the laborious work, unless the child comes from a family of readers, if the child is a family of readers, that where every person likes to read the books, that is okay. Otherwise none, neither the mother nor the father nor the other family members pay attention whether the child is reading the books besides the curriculum or not. Where intoxicating work of Shakespeare and Dickens are just a matter of pulling them out from their shelves, where the attractive works of either the Shakespeare or Dickens or any other author are just a matter of just decorating material on the shelves of their library or the reading room. Many parents also believe that today's children have become aware and demand logical reasoning for everything. And even parents also have their own reason, and they believe that the today's children have become aware and they always demand logical reasoning for everything. They just want the practical reasons, that what is the reason of doing this or that, and they can no longer be fooled by fairy tales or animal stories, and they have seen no fairies, no animals except for those old tired ones in the city too. As the parents believe that these days the child cannot be get attracted or be fooled by the fairy tales or animal stories, as they no longer attract them, as they have seen no fairies, no animals except those old tired ones in the city zoo. So now let's have a look on the questions that are followed by this passage. The first question is, today's child is mostly interested in. Today's child is mostly interested in. Don't you think, students, this passage somewhere related to you directly? Okay. So now let's see that what could be the correct answer. Today's child is mostly interested in being smart and popular, playing games, reading latest books, and fairy tales and animal stories. So as per the passage, today's child is mostly interested in being smart and popular. I hope your answer is also the right one. Yes. So now let's see the next question. The reason for being in such situation is. The reason for being in such situation is bestsellers, internet, bookless society, or the television. I repeat again, the reason for being in such situation that they always want to be smart and popular, the reason is the bestsellers, internet, bookless society, or the television. And the correct answer is television. The next question is, parents' expectations have resulted in. Parents' expectations have resulted in calamitous situation, pressurizing children, logical reasoning, or intoxicating children. parents as they expected a lot from their children, and this has resulted in pressurizing children. So the correct option would be pressurizing children. Today, children have become aware and demand dash reasoning. Today, children have become aware and demand reasoning. The correct options. First, let's have a look on the options: flamed, logical, faulty, and illogical. As the correct answer is logical. Next question is: parents believe that today's children demand computer, logical reasoning, television, or mobile. So, what would be the correct answer? Any guesses? Yes, it's logical reasoning. And the next question is: today's children are under pressure to be smart and popular, aware, successful, and baffled. They are under pressure to be smart and popular, and this has resulted into under pressurizing of the kids or children. So now let's have a look on the next question. Children are no longer interested in fairy tales because they have seen fairies. So the correct answer is false, as they haven't seen fairies. The leisure time of youngsters has been replaced by internet or teat and long hours talks with their friends. As it is a one word or two word answer, so we can fill here mobile, internet, etc. So now in the next video we are going to discuss the next passage. I hope that you all have corrected the answers if there is something wrong, and I really believe that you all have attempted it carefully. So now let's discuss about the next passage.